The cabinet and furniture making program is a 2-year program that really focuses on traditional hand skills and some modern skills as well that prepares our students for the workforce and maybe a cabinet shop, museum restoration, or their own custom business. We have students who come with a huge spectrum of experience. We've had students who come with no experience, have never seen a hand plane before, and we've had students who come and have actually built furniture in the past. We look for students to come here with an open mind. We have a little saying that we like for you to come with an empty cup because we want to fill that cup. The cabinet and furniture making program is really designed to teach students problem solving, time management, and planning, traditional hand skills. The program really focuses in our first semester on drafting, creating stock lists, estimating time, and also general things like keeping your bench area clean, keeping your tools sharp. And our second semester is also very structured as well. We focus on the toolbox. The requirements for the program are a table, a chair, and a case piece. And typically those 3 pieces are built in your 3rd and 4th semester. Our program is based on the Sloyd method, which, connects the mind with the hand. So a lot of our training is based on that. We typically will do a short demo in the morning, and it sets students up for the day to execute at their own pace. We have multiple instructors, and we have students and TAs to bounce information off of. So it's a much broader audience of learning. Well, I think North Ministry has an unbelievable reputation and history. I think our students are certainly sought after. Most of our graduates go into custom cabinet shops or start their own business. Our students are totally prepared to go out into the world of woodworking and when they graduate.